Hi, I am Tirupati Rao and I am working as Senior Vice President for CD Equisearch Private Limited. The company is about more than 3 decades old company and started in Calcutta by Mr. Chandravardhan Desai, our chairman. And we are having our corporate office in Mumbai. And we are having our regional offices in Hyderabad, Delhi, Jaipur, Calcutta and Mumbai. And we are also having office in Vijayawada. The Hyderabad is one of the prominent and very potential market for financial services markets. And if you see the PPP terms, our GDP is about $3.9 trillion. And as per IMF projections, by 2020, GDP is expecting to touch 10.2, 10.3 kind of trillion dollars, which is almost 3 times of our GDP. And Indian market, the financial services are having huge opportunities and plenty of opportunities in India for financial markets. See, most of our population are younger population, and India is growing at the pace of an average pace of 9%, and everybody is confident of next 10 years India can grow and have a 10% compounded average growth rate, GDP growth, and huge amount of opportunities and both for the investors as well as the employees who are looking for a financial services career. In CD, where we have started with a small office, and we have started in November 2009 in Hyderabad, and within a year's time we could grow well, and we are having more than 50 locations. Our offices are there through our channel partners, and we are having 2 direct branches in Hyderabad and Vijayawada. We are doing reasonably well, and within no time we could grow well, and hope we can grow even faster. So we are into all financial services like equity, commodity, currency, and wealth management and financial planning group. And if you see, people are having competence in investment kind of things, that is the cash market. So basically, our traditional mindset, Indian traditional mindset is buy something, wait for some time, and you will get your price and sell it off. This is a traditional investment kind of thing. But unfortunately, the derivatives have been introduced in India off late. Okay. The derivatives in India is to post 2001 only in India it has been introduced.